Hey everyone, if you want to create study notes with NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to transform your study materials into organized notes using AI. NotebookLM can quickly analyze your learning materials and generate clear notes, summaries, and key concepts for revision. Start by creating a dedicated notebook for the subject or course you're studying. Upload lecture slides, textbooks, PDFs, class notes, articles, and other learning resources. NotebookLM will analyze your materials and prepare them for AI-powered note creation. Ask NotebookLM to summarize a chapter, lesson, or document to identify the most important information. Ask NotebookLM to list key concepts, definitions, formulas, dates, or important facts. Request organized notes with headings, bullet points, and topic sections for easier studying. Use NotebookLM to create revision guides that focus on exam-relevant information. Save important notes and organize them inside your notebook for quick access later. As you learn more, upload additional resources and update your study notes automatically. For the best results, create separate notebooks for each subject and use specific prompts when generating notes. A common mistake is relying only on summaries instead of reviewing the original material when necessary. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create study notes with NotebookLM in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.